Alright, this is going to be my first stream, or first video. Give us a test run. I've had a lot of questions on how to make a course for fieldwork. A lot of people either, I guess they think you can't make one, or they're not sure how to make one, so I thought I'd make a quick video and show how to do a couple different course paths. Alright, the first thing you really always want to do is unfold the implement you want to make the course with, because it reads the vehicle as its full width. If you have it folded up, it'll only read it as whatever it is in its narrow width. So we'll unfold it, we'll lower it to the ground, and then we're going to make fieldwork. Click right up in our course generation. We're going to pick field 61. Okay. Working with, you can adjust it manually, or if you use a little calculator here, it'll automatically pick out the width. Starting corner, we're going to start in the northeast. We're going to head south, so it'll go the long way down the map down south. Turn to first point. You can have this activated or disactivated. I usually turn it activated because that way it'll come. Once it's done, it'll fold everything back up and return to the first point. That way I can just pick it up again and I can put it up. Headland, we're not going to have to do a headland. Now what you need to do is just go generate course. Save this as rake 61. Hit save. Now it's going to show up as rake 61 down here. So what we're going to go do is go to Courseplay control. Select first waypoint and drive course. It's going to automatically fold it back up first, and then it's going to drive over to where it needs to. Hit the first point, stop, unfold again, because it all automatically puts it in travel mode. If it's outside of the course, it puts it in travel mode so that it can traverse to and from, and especially with this width, it's not going to accidentally hit something and cause some issues. Alright, so that's going to continue to go all the way down, and it'll turn and come back. So while this one is running, I'm going to show you how to make another one for a different implement. Come here, fold this out. This is for a cultivator. Say you want to cultivate before you plant. Now you can hire this out, or if you're worried about it getting stuck, or you want to have preset courses, or you wanted to do a certain path. Say you need to do headlands first, you can set it to do headlands first, and then it'll cultivate back and forth if you have to worry about trees around the border. So this we're going to do the same as we did before. We're going to do field work, generate course, field path. This is 126. So get up to hit 126. I've got it unfolded, and I've pulled forward till I was straight. That's the key. Forward is straight, that way you know it's an accurate reading. 5.6 meters. Starting corner is northeast. Heading south again. Return to first point activated. That way it'll drive up to the top of the hill and it'll wait right here for me. Headland. I'm not going to do a headland on this one. Generate course. Save as cultivate. 126. Save that course. Now if we actually back up just a little bit. Come here, first waypoint, drive course. So he's going to fold up again because I backed up a couple feet. So it'll fold up, it'll drive forward, hit the first point, stop, fold. And it'll take off. And it didn't lower right away because This is a modded cultivator, so it's a little different, but it didn't cultivate the first little step. I'll have to go back and do that later. But, just going to go through here. Now let's go back and check on our rake. See, he's turn right. He's in the second course. He's not missing anything. They overlap just a little bit, so you don't have to worry about him missing a row in between or some pieces. Pretty much overlap to the point where I think it might just miss this. No, it's going to pick it up. Turn right around, start himself back on the same course. Drop all the rakes, and off he goes for the next course. He's just going to go about his merry way, up and down the field, back and forth, and it's just as easy as that. A lot of people seem to have a problem with it, and have asked me, hey, can you show me how to do this? So I've done it several times in streams. Thought, you know what, let me just make a video, put it out there, let some people know how to do it. Also a test video, see how this goes. I might start making videos for each Courseplay setting, where I can go in and I can teach people how to do Courseplay. Hope you appreciate it. Be sure to hit that like and follow, and stay tuned. Maybe there might be more.